Hey folks, today I thought I'd do a little review on this lodge table. It's kind of a handy little gadget for cooking. You don't have to bend over quite so much. It has this handy little three-sided wind guard, which helps out most of the time. You get some of those swirling winds that come around, well then it's going to not be able to protect it all the way. One of the things I really like about it is the height and the fact that you can be cooking two different things at the same time. You can have your main course going and a little dessert going off over on the other side. That I really like. You know, there's plenty of room to hang your tongs and stuff, your lid lifters, so that they're really handy for you. That I really like about it. One of the things that I didn't like about it is it didn't come with a carry bag, and I'd advise getting a carry bag for it because they don't use lock nuts on their bolts, and going down the road they have a tendency once in a while to loosen up or come off, and then you're hunting all over trying to figure out where your bolts and your nuts went to. That I don't like. Otherwise, it's a sturdy little table. We've used it several times and been really happy with it. So, I think for the money you're going to spend on it, it's definitely, worth it, especially if you're like us and attract wind everywhere you go. So, you need that wind guard. So, all in all, overall, I would say that I'm probably about 95% happy with it. If they used lock nuts on their bolts so that you weren't chasing them around when they rattled off, I'd be 100% happy. But that's my little review for this. Till we meet again, I'm Gary with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking.